Welcome to this tutorial on how to invest using a Robinhood IRA. If you are looking to save for retirement while taking advantage of easy investing, Robinhood offers a user-friendly platform that can help you get started. First, you will need to create a Robinhood account if you do not already have one. Simply download the app or visit their website and sign up by providing your personal information and linking your bank account. Once your account is set up, you will want to open an individual retirement account or IRA. In Robinhood, you can choose between a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA. A traditional IRA allows you to contribute pre-tax dollars, while a Roth IRA lets you contribute after-tax dollars. Decide which type of IRA aligns with your financial goals and select it during the account creation process. Next, you can start funding your IRA. For tax year contributions, the maximum contribution limit is usually $6,000 or $7,000 if you are age 50 or older. Make sure to transfer funds from your linked bank account into your IRA to take advantage of tax benefits. Remember, funds must stay in the IRA until you reach retirement age to avoid penalties. Finally, you can start investing within your IRA. Robinhood offers a wide range of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Simply search for the investments you are interested in and use your IRA funds to purchase them. Keep an eye on market trends and adjust your portfolio as needed to ensure you are on track to meet your retirement goals. Happy investing!